Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into easily digestible insights. Today, we're focusing on LTCUSD, Litecoin, and we'll be using current events and chart analysis to determine the best potential short and long-term trading strategies. Let's start by reviewing some key news headlines. Recent reports indicate Litecoin's daily transaction volumes have hit $9.6 billion, a surge driven by anticipation for potential US-listed Litecoin ETFs. There is growing excitement surrounding the potential listing of Litecoin ETFs in the US. This could significantly impact Litecoin's price, as it could make it more accessible to a wider range of investors. Social media, particularly Twitter, is buzzing with discussions of Litecoin's potential. Several prominent analysts have pointed out a cup and handle pattern forming on Litecoin's chart, typically a bullish indicator. However, we also see some conflicting information suggesting a possible fall in price. It's crucial to rely on a data-driven approach, supported by technical indicators and current market sentiment. Now, let's turn to the charts to get a clearer picture of the situation. If we examine the one-day chart, we observe a recent significant price increase in LTCUSD. The price has been consolidating within a certain range for a while, suggesting a period of indecision in the market. Looking at the candlestick patterns, we can see instances of both bullish and bearish candlesticks. This suggests that the market is currently uncertain about the future price direction. The volume also provides helpful context. High volume during price increases suggests strong bullish pressure. On the other hand, high volume during price decreases might show significant selling. Next, let's take a closer look at the hourly chart. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see shorter-term price fluctuations in more detail. These intraday changes reveal the short-term market sentiment and volatility. We might notice a trend that isn't clearly apparent on the daily time frame. By examining the hourly chart in detail, we can observe more short-term patterns. Here we can examine recent candlestick patterns in detail. The 1-hour chart will give us an even clearer picture of the recent price swings and volume fluctuations. Now, let's zoom in on a specific period, perhaps a time frame within the last few days. This allows for a more focused observation of recent developments on the hourly chart. The refined time frame might highlight a specific trend or a reversal pattern. Incorporating the latest news, for example, the potential ETF listing, we can attempt to correlate the chart patterns with the fundamental factors. Finally, let's analyze the 15-minute chart to identify even shorter-term trends and potential entry and exit points. The 15-minute chart offers the most granular view of price action, useful for scalpers and day traders. Here we observe price movement in 15-minute intervals, revealing the short-term market's dynamic and volatility. Short-term traders will find this chart's information most helpful. We can see how the price reacts to news and events in real time on this chart. Using all three charts, we can build a comprehensive strategy. In summary, the news surrounding Litecoin suggests a potential bullish outlook due to the anticipated ETF listing and increased transaction volume. However, the charts reveal a degree of market uncertainty, with the price fluctuating between support and resistance levels. Key price levels to watch include the recent highs and lows observed on the daily and hourly charts, along with any significant support or resistance lines identified on the 15-minute chart. The likelihood of a significant price movement depends on several factors, including the outcome of the ETF application, overall market sentiment, and any upcoming news or events. The probability of a price surge increases if the ETF is approved, the broader cryptocurrency market exhibits bullish momentum, and there are positive developments in Litecoin's technology or adoption. Conversely, a price decline is more likely if the ETF is rejected, the overall market trends downwards, and negative news concerning Litecoin emerges. Keep a close watch on the volume, candlestick patterns, and how the price interacts with its support and resistance levels on all three timeframes: daily, hourly, and 15-minute. This comprehensive approach should provide a clearer understanding of the short-term and long-term potential of LTCUSD. Remember, this is not financial advice, and all investments carry risk.